Welcome back to our channel again. This is Kose from Kose Trading, and today we have a Beosound 5 digital music controller, and this is the head display, and normally this one will be connected to a Beomaster 5, but today we're gonna deassemble it and see what's inside and how we gonna take the front glass off, also how to deassemble the complete screen and navigation arm and also the control unit. And also we're gonna take a look at the design, how they design it. So the Beosound 5 is designed by Anders Hermansen. The cabinet is finished in aluminium black, and the weighs around 2.65 kilograms. And the display itself is 10.4 inch, and the output is a video, DVI, USB, and power. Normally, the Beosound 5 is powered up with the Beomaster 5. So you can also have a table stand and also a wall bracket, and also a floor stand for the Beosound 5. So let's try to dig into it and start with take the screws out from back here. And also I appreciate you to watching this video, and this is like the education level, and I'm gonna show you how to deassemble it and how to change. If you have any problems with your Beosound 5, this video will be helpful to understand how to deassemble and how to change all the parts inside the Beosound 5. So let's begin. Safety first, and let's try to flip the Beosound 5 and try to remove all the screws back here. Let's try to remove this one. It's the Y bracket. This Y bracket is normally wiring guide for the cables, and I think this cable wiring is a little bit odd because the cable wiring is damaged the cables, because it's wiring like that, it's going in like that. So sometimes when I purchase Bang & Olufsen's products, the guides damaged this board here. This is the PCB board 13, and this is the input board. So yes, we're gonna take that out. I think we're gonna remove this bracket first. So also welcome back to our channel again, and I appreciate you to watching our videos, and I can see the subscriptions of on my channel is increasing, so that's nice. So we're gonna take this decoration, this bracket off. That's the wheel. I'm gonna put that aside, and let's try to take the PCB board out. It's out, so we're gonna deassemble the cables. Let's try to remove this one first, and I'm gonna take that out. Normally this is a very high demand board because the DVI connections is the cable is damaging this input. So when you always use the, I don't know, because it's very odd, because sometimes the wiring guide is guiding the cables into the input to DVI, and I don't know if I can recommend you to use that guide wire, but Yeah, maybe you can give some more free space to the angle so you prevent you not to damage this input. So we're gonna put that aside. This screws out here from the screen. There's supposed to be one screw here. I think these two screws are holding the glass or the back aluminum part. No, it's holding the glass. So we're gonna flip it. And here's the glass. This is the front glass for the Beosound 5. And it is in good condition. So we're gonna put that aside. And I think we need to remove the back part first, because the screen is going into the navigation wheel and the volume wheel and also the buttons. So we still need to deassemble the parts here. So let's try to look. Gonna remove this one. And cable, this one, and so we need to remove this bolt. So I'm gonna take this one and turn it. Here we go. I think we're going to take the navigation wheel off. Take all the screws out. Not the cables, sorry. And here we go. Oops. A ring, something like. And here is the navigation wheel, where you navigate with the Beosound 5, the wheel. I'm gonna put that aside. And here is the navigation arm itself. Put that aside. And next step is to take the PCB board. This is the PCB board 12 for the navigation. And here we go. I think this is my first time to deassemble a Beosound 5. So I've been into it before, but sometimes it can be tricky. No, I think this. Oh, here we go. Here we have the buttons for the Beosound 5, the button units, like that. Sometimes you can change also the buttons if you have one of the buttons where's the text, if it's damaged or something like that, you can change that. So we have the part here in our stock. Gonna put that aside. I'm gonna take this one out. I think this one is preventing to for the navigation wheel. It's not damaging the screen. I'll put that aside. So I'm gonna flip this, and I think this one is stuck. I think we still need to remove this one to continue. Yes, PCB board 12 is stuck here. We need some more tools. Yeah, it's attached to a cable. Here we go. And the PCB board 12 for the navigation. I'll put that aside. So next step is to remove the bracket for this one. Yeah, we need to remove this one. So we're gonna use this one to remove this. Here we go. So this bracket is this clamp is holding back the wheel. I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna take this one off. And here we go. I'll put that aside. Now we can continue to take the display off, or I think we could just take this one off. There we go. This is also a decoration, something like that, but we can also put that aside. So now we're gonna. So now we have managed to deassemble the whole the navigation wheel with the PCB board 12 navigation and the PCB board 12 for the input, and also the complete volume and the navigation through the system. So yes, let's continue to remove the display. So there are some screws that are holding the screen back, so we're gonna take that out, these out. And also welcome back to the new year. I hope my subscribers had a great Christmas with their families and have a good New Year. I'm looking to the New Year and see what is coming. So here is the screen. I'm gonna take there we go. And also screen is connected here to the backlight. I think this is the backlight. And here's the screen. And the screen is made by, I don't know what company it's made by, but it's Gimi Electronics, something like that. But I'm gonna put that aside. So we're gonna continue to take all the parts off. Take this one off. And I think here's the ER module. It's like that. I'm gonna put that aside. I'm gonna take a stick off. Go to the cable up. And we're gonna take the mainboard off, if we can do that, but I think let's try to take the standby board off first. Cool. And here is the standby board, PCB 58. I'll put that aside. And I think we're gonna take the cables here. There we go. Now I'll take all the cables out. There we go. So the next step will be take the main board off. So we're gonna do that. And there's one screw left here. Last one, and I'm gonna leave this this cable. Here we go. Put that aside, and let's continue to take the main board off. Still attached somewhere. There we go. Here's the main board for the Beosound 5. That aside. And also we need to remove the backlight inverter. And here is the PCB board 61, the backlight inverter, and this is made in Japan. So yes, and here's the holder for the backlight inverter and the main board. And the main board is a PCB board 1. That aside. So we're gonna continue to remove the speaker. The Beosound 5 has actually a speaker built inside. When you move into the menus, you're gonna hear a clicking sound. And yes, I don't even know this glued, I think. No? I think I'm gonna leave it like that because I can see this is glued to the aluminum backboard, so we're gonna leave that here. So let's bring all the parts to the table. I think we're gonna start with the PCB boards. And we're gonna start with the main board. This is the main board, PCB 1 main board. And the backlight inverter, PCB board 61, and the input board, PCB board 13, and the navigation board, PCB board 12, and the standby board, PCB board 58, and all the cables, don't need that. And the ER board, PCB board 11. And here we have the buttons. And also we're gonna bring all the navigation parts into the table. This is all the navigation buttons, and here we have a plastic part to prevent when you remove the navigation for the system, you don't scratch the LCD display. And here we have the glass, and the wiring guide to the input board. And we have also some screws, and here the last one is the LCD display board. So this was a video about the Beosound 5, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel, and also click at the thumbs up the like button, and also click at the ring bell button, so you will get a notification when the new videos is uploaded into my channel. And Happy New Year, and stay tuned, more videos will be uploaded to our channel again. So have a nice day.